Here's what's on the menu: lemon ginger chicken, mouth-watering salad, and cheese bread with a sexy twist. Okay, so here is everything that you need to make this delicious meal. So we have naan, okay? Naan, yay! All right, also we have light raspberry dressing, yummy. All right, you also gonna want some lemon juice, or you can use fresh lemon, okay? So either one is okay. Also, you're gonna want Parmesan cheese, oh yes. And you're gonna want my swear by, go to all the time, Morton's Nature Seasons, yay. Okay, also ginger, oh yes. This is so delightful. Ginger, honey, oh yeah, honey. You're gonna need to wait and hear about this, honey. Oh yeah, no, I'm talking to you, honey. You're gonna need to wait and hear about this, honey. Okay, minced garlic, yummy. Okay, so also we have mozzarella cheese. Now keep in mind, to keep it healthy, you can use either fat-free cheese, 1% milk fat cheese, or 2% milk fat cheese, okay? So keep that in mind. Also, I'm gonna use walnuts. Oh, you didn't see that coming, did you? Oh yeah, walnuts, okay? And so of course we're gonna have our chicken breast. Look at it. You like the way I did that with the knife? Was that cool or what? Was that cool or what? Look at that. Oh my God, I karate chopped it. Anyways, chicken breast, yay, okay? Also, oh my God, this is my favorite, spinach. I'm in love with spinach. We have nothing but a love in love relationship. So spinach, and also, are you ready for this? Cilantro. Oh yes, sexy cilantro. Oh yes, that's on the menu. So I went over all the ingredients that you're gonna need. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything together for us. That's right, for us, because we are cooking in the kitchen. Yeah. Up. Guess what? Don't you love bonuses? Oh my God, who doesn't love bonuses? I have a bonus for you. So I'm going to give you an up close and personal look at a few things that are absolutely awesome. First up is this light raspberry vinaigrette. Okay, so look at that, yummy light raspberry vinaigrette. And guess what? Here's the nutrition facts. Isn't this wonderful? So 2 tablespoons, you will get 30 calories, 1 gram of fat, and absolutely no cholesterol. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, isn't that great? Yay! Now, I am going to use grated Parmesan cheese. And the awesome thing about this is that it has less than 5 milligrams of cholesterol. Who would have known? Awesome! And now for the finale of the bonus. So, if you're out there wondering, what is naan? This is what it looks like, you all. Okay? This is so delicious. So let me just tell you right now, I am a huge Indian cuisine fanatic, okay? So listen, you can get naan with garlic, all kinds of things, but you're gonna have to stick around to see what I'm gonna do with this. But this is what it looks like, just to give you an example. So when you go to your grocery store or to an international grocery store, you will know what to pick up. Let's get this party started. All right, so I went ahead and cut up the chicken breast. This is 4 ounces, okay, of chicken breast, yummy. And you want to be sure, depending on how you're going to cook it. Now, I'm going to grill it on top of the stove. So I really had to chop it up because I really wanted to cook kind of quickly and thoroughly. So I have this all ready to go. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my ingredients. So I'm starting off with Morton's, the ones that I swear by. So here we go. A little pinch, like that. Okay, another pinch like that. What do you think? Should I do another pinch? I want to. I know you want to. But you know what? We got to keep the sodium down, right? This is all about being healthy and super sexy with it. All right, so next, this is what I love. This is the ginger. I love it. So let's go ahead and put the ginger in here. Yes. Pinches of ginger. Yay. And all I can tell you is to do pinches, okay? You're going to have to just look at it depending on how much chicken breast you're cooking at a time. So as you can see, this is really one serving that I'm cooking. So I've done how many pinches now? 3 of ginger. Let me see. And this is how I know. I'm going to go like this. I need a little more ginger. That's how I know. And that's how you can know. Just, you know, kind of put it up and smell it and say, now that's enough ginger. All right. Now we have the minced garlic. Oh yeah. Oh wow. This is going to be so good, you all. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here now. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. That is good to go. Yay. Now let's go ahead and put our lemon on. So remember I said you can use fresh lemon. All right. So go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze the lemon juice, and hopefully it doesn't squirt in my face or on the camera in your face. Look at that. Just, oh my gosh. Get all of the juice out of there. Have fun with it. Who cares? Get your fingers dirty. You can look cute. I was gonna say something else. You can loot the lemon. You can loot the lemon. No, you can look super cute in the kitchen and still get your hands dirty, okay? It is okay. All right, let's see. That should be, let me smell this. That should be enough lemon. I was thinking to go ahead and add a little more lemon juice because you know what? Sometimes you gotta be just a little extra. But honestly, I think that's enough. I'm gonna stir this all together. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Smell it, smell it. No, I really want you to smell this. For my oil, I'm going to use sunflower oil and extra virgin olive oil. Now, if you don't have this, of course, you can use regular cooking oil or regular olive oil. All right, let's go ahead and place some oil in the pan for the chicken. Whee! Get in there, oil. Looks good. Looks good. Yay! All right, let's go ahead and put this chicken in. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the oven and heat it to 350 degrees. So now the oven is heating up, our chicken is cooking. It's time to start making our sexy cheese bread. So here's the naan. All right, so I went ahead and cut it in half because I'm doing one serving, right? So, but just to give you an idea, this is what it looks like. Now, sometimes this comes a whole lot bigger, okay? But this was the whole one, and I went ahead and cut it in half, all right? Because we don't want to overdo it on carbohydrates. All right, so that's that. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and spray the aluminum foil with Pam, all right? So here we go. Yay! All right, so that's there. And simple, we're gonna put the mozzarella cheese on top. Super easy, super simple. Oh my God, this is, oh, I'm telling you, you're in for a real treat. You're in for something super sexy. You like how I said that? Can you sing like that? Sing with me. Super sexy. All right, so, and for the cheese, for this, I used 1/4 cup. That's what I used, 1/4 cup of cheese. So, yay. Let's check on our chicken. So everything is cooking. The oven is hot. Our chicken is cooking. It is smelling so good. So listen, this is not your potluck meal, okay? It's not. This is the type of meal that you light your candles to, that you run your hot bubble bath to, and then you're gonna treat yourself to a healthy, sexy, delicious meal. Do you have your candle lit? Oh yeah, this is all about you. So everything is ready. Look at it. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and place the grilled chicken on top of our spinach. Oh yeah, so sexy, isn't it? Healthy is the new sexy. Yes, it is. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is looking so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the walnuts. Oh yeah, so nice. Look at that. Look at this. Oh. Talk about taste buds overload. Absolutely, your taste buds are going to be overloaded, okay? And that's what it's all about. Eating healthy does not have to be boring. It doesn't have to be boring. It is absolutely sexy, okay? Now for the cilantro, the sexy cilantro. Yes indeed. Look at this, y'all. Oh my gosh, so sexy. This is a sexy meal that we are having. Yes, it is. Okay, all right, now for the Parmesan cheese, the grated Parmesan cheese. Oh yes, look at that. So nice. Less than 5 milligrams of cholesterol. Yay. Sexy all the way. You deserve this. You deserve to be healthy. You deserve to be sexy. Okay? You can do this. Look how simple this was to make. Now, are you ready for the raspberry vinaigrette? Think about that. Raspberry. That's sexy. Here it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You deserve this. Yes, you do. We deserve this. So nice. Look at that. And now, are you ready for this? Here it is. Okay, this is the cheese bread, mozzarella on top, nice and hot. And this is what we are going to do. We're going to drizzle the honey right on top. Ooh, wee. Look at that. Now, that's sexy with a twist, isn't it? Oh my gosh. And we have our candle too. Healthy is the new sexy. And I will see you next time right here in the kitchen.